Vicki Gessler with Better Homes and Garden Real Estate Gary Green, the Gessler Group. And I'm here hanging my favorite four-letter word, S-O-L-D. And I'm going to give you my top 6 tips to add value to your home, regardless if you're selling or not. Tip number 1 is paint. You want to make sure that your exterior paint is always nice and fresh and replace any rotten wood. Tip number 2 is landscaping. You want to have wow curb appeal. So fertilize your lawn, keep your shrubs nice and trimmed, mulch, and add flowers. Follow me for tip number 3 through 6. All right, tip number 3 is paint again. Paint will do wonders, and it's so affordable. You would be amazed at what paint can do. And a nice neutral paint palette carried throughout really makes the home feel spacious, and it gives it continuity. If you are thinking about selling, make sure you don't rehang your photos and your artwork. Less is always more. For my tip number 4, flooring. Between tile floors and hand-scraped wood laminate and hardwood floors, there are so many options on flooring. So make sure you replace that dingy, dirty carpet and put in some beautiful new return on your investment flooring today. Tip number 5, countertops. Between granite and quartz and engineered stone, the possibilities are endless. Not only will a countertop dazzle your kitchen, it's a great return on your investment. And lighting. Between oil rub bronze and satin nickel and chrome, there's so many lighting options out there. So make sure you replace that 1990s gold and give your new lighting a facelift today. I hope my top 6 tips were very helpful to you and will add value to your home. If you are thinking about selling, give the Gessler Group a call today at 832-492-0700 and let me get you top dollar.